Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Ufone SIM card on mobile devices. If you want to activate eSIM from Ufone on your mobile device, then you can just follow these steps. First, visit any nearest Ufone service center, Ufone franchise or Ufone self-service booth open 24/7 to get your new eSIM or convert your existing Ufone number. After this BVS registration, an eSIM jacket will be provided to you, even having a digital QR code. Then scan the QR code on the phone you would like to activate the eSIM on. To learn how to activate, you just need to check. Let's see. Let's learn about the iPhone process and the process that you have to follow in Android phone. So if you are an iPhone user, then make sure that your iPhone XS or XS Max or iPhone XR is updated to iOS 12.1 and above. So and the rest of iPhone models are already updated above the iOS version 12.1. So scan the QR code provided by their agent. So then go to the settings and go to cellular. Then select add cellular plan to launch the camera automatically. Use your iPhone to scan the QR code. Type default pin code, the the fourth pole 0 when asked to enter. Now for Android user, make sure your eSIM enabled Android handset is upgraded or updated to your latest version. You can check eSIM enabled headsets in headset supported section below. Then scan the QR code provided by their agent. Then go to settings and SIM card manager. Select eSIM, then add mobile plan to launch the camera automatically. Use your phone to scan the QR code. Type default pin code. This is actually 40 when asked to enter. Your eSIM is ready to use. So that's the step that you can follow to activate a Ufone eSIM. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.